Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. It's a 32-inch LG LCD TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is picture flickering issue. See friends, here the picture is clear for a second. After that, it started showing flickering issue. See, this is the fault. Mainly, these types of faults are due to VGL shorting in VGH odd and VGH even track. In VGH odd and VGH even track, both VGH and VGL voltages will appear simultaneously as a pulsing voltage. If VGH voltage in VGH odd, then VGL voltage will be in VGH even. If VGL voltage in VGH odd, then VGH voltage will be in VGH even. See, here we open the backer of the TV. This is the motherboard. Also, this is the power supply board. And this is the panel take-on board. Here. So here to repair this panel, we are going to implement Levelshifter IC modification method by cutting down the VGH out and VGH even track to the panel side. We need to cut down the VGH out and VGH even track to the panel side. After cutting these two tracks one by one, we need to bypass the VGH voltage to VGH even or odd and check the picture is okay or not. See friends, here we cut down the VGH out and VGH even track to the panel side for preventing the voltages entering to the Levelshifter IC. See friends, after cutting both VGH odd and VGH even track, here we bypassed the VGH voltage to VGH even track test point. See friends, after cutting down both VGH odd and VGH even track, here we bypassed the VGH voltage to VGH even test point. After performing this bypass operation, while checking the picture, here you can see the result. Now the shorting is removed and the TV display back to normal. See friends, now the display is back to normal. You can see now there is no picture flickering issue. Now the display is crystal clear. Always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. See, at present condition, now the display is ready and the TV started working back to normal. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.